Notice SYN files in your laptop's driver folders and worried they might be causing touchpad problems? These files are part of the Synaptics driver package that powers your laptop's trackpad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what you need to know. I call this the last resort solution for those SYN files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. SYN files are driver data and configuration files associated with Synaptics Touchpad drivers installed on laptop computers. They contain driver firmware configuration parameters, gesture definitions, sensitivity settings, and device communication protocols used by the Synaptics Touchpad Input Device Management System. SYN files are driver data and configuration files associated with Synaptics Touchpad drivers installed on laptop computers. They contain driver firmware configuration parameters, gesture definitions, sensitivity settings, and device communication protocols used by the Synaptics Touchpad Input Device Management System. The application responsible for generating the SYN file is typically Synaptics Pointing Device Driver by Synaptics Incorporated. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows cannot validate their meaning, so incorrect edits can cause issues. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the SYN file and click Open With. Test Synaptics. Pointing device driver first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If your SYN file is not opening yet, that is normal. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the SYN format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, leave files in place. SYN files are essential components of the Synaptics Touchpad driver installation. Do not move, rename, or delete these files, as doing so can disable touchpad functionality. They are located in the Synaptics driver directory, typically within Program Files or the Windows System 32 drivers folder. Next, update Synaptics drivers. If your touchpad is malfunctioning, download the latest Synaptics Touchpad driver from your laptop manufacturer's support website. Run the installer, which replaces outdated SYN files with current versions. Restart your computer after installation for the new driver data to take full effect. Finally, reset touchpad settings. If touchpad behavior is erratic, open the Synaptics Touchpad Properties panel from Control Panel or Windows Settings, then Devices, then Touchpad. Reset all settings to defaults, which reloads the baseline SYN configuration data. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the Synaptics driver package completely. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.